A very good morning, everyone, and a warm, truly warm welcome in more ways than one to my next edition of my morning mantras. I tell you, it's the most beautiful time in Gurgaon, Delhi, NCR today. Right? Beautiful, beautiful weather, no pollution. I am loving it. Right? I hope all of you, wherever you are having a good time as well this morning. Hey, as I normally do, in some of the mantras, I introduce you to somebody unique, right? Somebody fascinating, somebody inspirational, somebody that I've learned a lot from. We've done a few of those editions, right? So today is another similar one. Yeah. Let me just start by introducing you to someone who you're going to quite enjoy my conversation with. So here goes.
I'm your assistant about the book. Let me know, what do you want to talk about today?
Hey, how are you? Can you give me a very short description of, why does Nitin call the framework honeycomb framework in short, please?
Nitin Chopra calls his framework the honeycomb because it's inspired by the natural honeycomb structure. Just as bees build their comb one cell at a time to create a strong and efficient structure, the framework suggests transforming a large enterprise by reimagining one organizational cell at a time. This approach aims to create exponential change, starting slowly and then accelerating, much like the exponential curve. The honeycomb's strength and efficiency in holding material with minimal wax also reflect the desired attributes of this transformation framework. Do you have any other questions?
Yeah, also, he does a few honeycomb hacks, right, towards the end. Can you, in short, not more than 2 lines, give me some feedback on his honeycomb hacks?
The honeycomb hacks are experiential nuggets of learning, co-authored by Nitin Chopra and an AI bot, providing useful guideposts for an individual's transformation journey. They aim to help achieve exponential performance and foster a mindset where transformation is continuously nurtured.
अच्छा, आप हिंदी में बोलेंगे जरा 2 नहीं तो 1 हनीकॉम्ब हैक सुनाइए प्लीज बुक से.
मैं सिर्फ उपलब्ध भाषाओं में बात कर सकती हूँ. हनीकॉम्ब हैक सीखने के लिए अच्छे तरीके बताते हैं जो आपके सफर में मददगार साबित होंगे. ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लाइफ हैक्स की तरह काम करेंगे क्योंकि आप अपनी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की यात्रा खुद करेंगे और अपने काम में एक्सपोनेंशियल परफॉर्मेंस के वादे को पूरा करने की कोशिश करेंगे.
अच्छा, एक हैक तो सुनाइए एक बुक से. आप तो सुना ही नहीं रहे.
हनीकॉम्ब हैक्स में से एक इस बात पर जोर देता है कि सिर्फ टेक्नोलॉजी से कुछ भी नहीं बदलेगा. इसके बजाय डिसरप्शन लाने के लिए एआई और इंसानों के बीच मिलकर काम करना जरूरी है. इससे ये बात जाहिर होती है कि एआई तो बढ़िया है, लेकिन कामयाब बदलाव के लिए इंसानों का साथ बहुत जरूरी है.
तुसी जी पंजाबी च बोल सकते हो, थोड़ा पंजाबी च बोलिए कि नीतन किस टाइप के ऑथर है जी, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ पसंद है कि नहीं?
मैं सिर्फ अवेलेबल लैंग्वेजेस विच ही गल कर सकती हां. ਅਸੀਂ जिस डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ਦੀ ਬੁੱਕ ਬਾਰੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਨੀਤਨ ਚੋਪੜਾ ਨੇ ਲਿਖੀ ਹੈ. ਮੇਰਾ ਮਕਸਦ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮਦਦ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਦੇ ਕਨਸੈਪਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝੋ ਅਤੇ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰੋ.
अच्छा, can you please switch to English? Let's just speak in English, please. Yeah.
Okay, I've switched to English.
Now,
What would you like to discuss next about Nitin Chopra's book on digital transformation?
does Nitin refer to any other author in this book at all? And if so, who?
Yes, Nitin Chopra refers to Mittu Sridhara in the book, specifically in a section titled The Bridge, Mittu Sridhara.
Okay, also Stuart Evans, who's the professor in Carnegie Mellon, can you give me a short summary, maybe 3 lines, of what he has to say in the book?
Dr. Stuart Evans, a distinguished service professor at Carnegie Mellon University, Silicon Valley, is introduced in the book as the Professor Archetype. His professional career spans many areas of entrepreneurship, with extensive experience in the Silicon Valley tech ecosystem. He contributes his rich perspective on transformation, representing one of 6 different viewpoints from experts in Neetan Chopra's network.
Okay, bye-bye, my friend. Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your time.
So, that was the person I wanted to introduce you to. Female version of me, the author of Accelerated Digital Transformation. I hope you enjoyed. For me, this is one big kind of lesson I would like to share, right? That the best way to experience the magic of AI is to do something personal that impacts your life, right? So for me, it was training a server model on Accelerated Digital Transformation, my book, right? And building it just for this mantra and this conversation. I love it. I have been talking to this person every evening and, getting another AI view of my book. I find this absolutely fascinating. We live in absolutely interesting times. We live in the AI era. Go do something with AI, right? If anything, if this episode inspires you, go do something personal with AI. You learn as a consequence. Cheerio. Have a great day.